It's a wet morning today. At least you can see me with my umbrella. Oh my God. We don't know when we are going to start enjoying this summer in London. Hopefully very soon. Because right now, I don't think we're enjoying anything yet. You can see we are back on a little bit of a light jacket. But that's actually the London weather for you. Òjò ló bá dé láàárọ̀ yìí. Ẹ̀yin tèmi, ṣé dáadáa lẹ wà? How is your day going so far? Hope everything is going fine and good. Yes, I'm out walking on the road. Can you see? Actually crossing the road. See it? See? Yeah. But it's raining. And I'm with my umbrella. Oh boy. Anyways, I just said let me say good morning to everyone and tell you as usual how our London weather is today. It is raining and I don't know, we are looking forward to beautiful summer anyways, but right now òjò ń rọ̀, okay? Ẹ ṣáà rí pé òjò ń rọ̀. Yes, òjò ń rọ̀. Well, mi mọ̀ bóyá òjò dẹ̀ rọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ tí yín, but right now where I am and I think most places in London will be like this. I don't know, but that's what I think. So have a beautiful, lovely rainy day for the people living in London, and for you lot that are living in places that are very sunny and beautiful, enjoy it as well. We are enjoying this while it lasts and looking forward to a beautiful summer. Yes, we're gonna have a beautiful summer, whichever way you think of it. I know. So anyways, have a lovely day. It's me, your girl. It's Green, okay? Take care. Bye for now.